Meaning of headstrong.
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 Headstrong. The term headstrong refers to a person who is stubborn, determined, and refuses to change their behavior or beliefs even in the face of opposition or evidence to the contrary. A headstrong individual tends to be impulsive, making decisions based on their emotions rather than logic or reason. This can lead to conflict with others and difficulty in working within a team. However, headstrong people can also possess qualities such as confidence, assertiveness, and drive, which can be beneficial in some situations. Ultimately, being headstrong has both advantages and disadvantages, depending on the context and the individual.